Hi, welcome all of you on Yourpedia education platform, and you are watching series of short videos on how to prepare for GD/GT. In each such video, I come out with one small concept which will remove your myth or confusion related to GD and GT. See, I always tell in all my videos you must have seen, I always tell that GD and GT is the simplest thing you can think of, though the most important one, because that decides your selection at the end. और ये बहुत ही सिंपल टर्म है GD/GD उसको करना, इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल। एंड उसमें हर वीडियो में मैं एक सिंपल से टॉपिक के ऊपर आपका जो मिथ है या आपका जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है उसको रिमूव करता हूं। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट one very commonly asked question by students that if everybody starts speaking, chaos is created, fish market अगर बन जाती है तो how to handle that situation? You know that you can expect in every situation. Though I understand everybody starts speaking parallelly at the same time they start speaking, but if you see the GDs, so many GDs are there on Yourpedia education platform. If you go to the list on our channel, you will find so many GDs, and many times everyone is started speaking simultaneously. During that simultaneous parallel talk, you keep silent, and there will come a phase, a period of lull, like sinusoidal wave. Everybody is speaking, no one is speaking. Then there is coming a stage when no one speaks, everyone speaks parallelly, everyone stops, and that is the time you are to enter it. There is a link here, there is a video here, how to enter in GD. Please listen to that. So that means if everyone is speaking, does that mean everyone is speaking for 10 continuous minutes? No. If everyone is speaking for parallelly, everyone stops also after some time, and that is the time you have to enter it. So if you tell me that sir मेरे को तो बोलने का मौका ही नहीं मिला, I could not speak because everyone was parallelly talking, I beg to differ. There will be phases, there will be moments when nobody is speaking, and that is exactly the moment you have to enter. And believe me, GD/GT is very simple. आप करो तो सही, practice तो करो. If you don't practice, if you keep on fearing, if you don't enter into the water, how you will learn the swimming? So आप बोलते रहोगे नहीं नहीं सर वो डूब गया सर, ये तो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है, तो यार जंप तो मारो, तभी तो पता लगेगा you can swim or not. You do that. It is simple thing, not difficult thing. Keep pushing. Thank you.